First, congratulations. We're all very proud of you, and it's my honor at this time to do the tassel turning and the confirmation. I'd like to, on behalf of Todd and Scotty Haney, the faculty and staff and administration at Haney, just tell you how amazed we are at everything that you accomplish in probably the worst economic times any of us have lived in, and I know you're feeling it. But I know that you heard what Falcon said about being thankful and being guided by wisdom, and Mr. Heptonstall talked about the challenges and the passion that you have to have, and I know that many of you have that, and if you don't, you need to get those things because you have a chore ahead of you to make your life what you want it to be. That's why you're here right now, to do something else. We're very proud of you. We're excited for the challenges that you've overcome already and the ones that you're going to overcome in your future. But if you would stand at this time, this is the fun part of what I get to do. If the graduates would stand, if you would turn your tassel from your left to your right. On behalf of the Commissioner of Education, Gerard Robinson, Governor Rick Scott, school board members, and myself, I now confirm you graduates are certified in the area in which you attempted.
The school board members, the district administrators, and our faculty and staff, again, for all your hard work. I want to also say thank you to our graduating committee that put all this together. Graduates, don't forget that we have a reception at Haney, and a 3-story building there. The reception will last until 9 o'clock. As we prepare to leave, I'd like to ask the audience members to remain seated for the recessional. The song that was chosen to represent the class of 2012 is "If Today Was the Last Day" of Nickelback.